almost like a Taco Bell McDonald's collaboration. Let's give it a try. Right guys, don't walk to Aldi, run to Aldi. This one's gonna be a viral. First off, like always, sanitize the bin. Grab a basket and let's get to it. First off, grab yourself some Little Gem lettuces. Next, we're gonna grab yourself some lean beef steak mince, 5% one. Get the small tortilla wraps, a jar of gherkins, and finally, you've got to get this, the chunky burger sauce from Bramwell's. Right, Lucy Lou, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy. So what are you exactly gonna cook me?
Well, I would have made some Big Mac tacos, but you didn't get me any cheese.
I got no cheese. Oh my word, I forgot the cheese. Oh. Lucy pulls out the cheese. Let's get to it.
First off, I'm going to get the mince into a pot. I'm going to add some pepper and salt and some garlic granules.
Go easy on the garlic granules, Lou.
Give it a good mix up. Once that's mixed up, you want to get a quarter of the mince, wrap it into a ball,
Okay.
and then we're going to smash it onto one of these wraps. We're going to do that 4 times. Right, so they're all done, and now I'm just going to get them into the pan. Once they've been cooking for about 5 minutes, flip them over.
Oh, they're looking lovely. Oh, yes, please.
Next, get your cheese on. And don't forget to hit the follow button for more savvy meals. Next, we're going to get them into the air fryer, and I'm going to put them inside these little mitts. So be careful, fold them over. And as you can see, I've put 2 in the mitt and 2 either side, and they're going to go into the air fryer for 5 minutes. Right, and they're ready. Let's go over there and dress them.
Oh, they look absolutely gorgeous then. Look at them.
And the reason why we put them in the air fryer is so you don't lose the taco shape. We're going to get some lettuce in them. And we're going to get some gherkins in there. You know, everyone loves gherkins on a Big Mac. And finally, some burger sauce. Now, you can make your own, but this tastes just as good, if not better. And there we go.
There we go, guys. Big Mac tacos from Lucy Lou. Let's give these a try. These look absolutely amazing. Oh, just look how juicy they look. It's almost like a Taco Bell McDonald's collaboration. Let's give it a try. Oh my God. They are the best. Lucy, how good are they?
Delicious.
Delicious. It is Taco Bell's meet McDonald's.